Hello guys, welcome to Late Night Stocks. Vaccine stocks are on fire. In this video I'm gonna do a short update for Moderna, BioNTech and Novavax. As of today, these stocks were up about 10% in average. But is it a dead cat bounce or a beginning of a new rally? Of course, we are gonna look at the news and the resistance levels of stock prices. If you are new to channel, I highly recommend our previous videos about these vaccine stocks. If you watched our videos and found them helpful, please support us just by giving a like or buying a coffee. You can find the link in the video description. Let's start. Vaccinated, cured or dead? Germany battles surging COVID cases. The German health minister has warned citizens that they will be either vaccinated, cured or dead from COVID-19 by the end of winter as several European countries impose restrictions amid surging infections. It is a kind of dark humor, but the situation is very serious. It is very interesting that 2 weeks ago we were talking about reopening. Now we are in the middle of pandemic. This is not a surprise for many people for sure, but how about the Wall Street? Moderna and BioNTech to $500. Today, BioNTech stock price exceeded $300 and closed at $321. $300 level was a resistance and the stock price exceeded. Pfizer-BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine shows 100% effectiveness in long-term analysis in adolescents. Data from almost 2,230 participants showed that 30 cases of COVID-19 were reported in the placebo group and 0 cases in the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine group. 0 cases in more than 2,000 people is very promising. Well, when we come back to stock price, what should you do? Should you buy, sell or hold your shares? The stock price exceeded $300 level. The next stop will be $380 to $400. That means we may see 20% stock price increase very soon. Moderna stock price was 7% up today and the Nasdaq was 1.26% down. This is a good signal because that was not a market shift. Let's have some fun. In this picture you see the German health minister Jens Spahn and the analogy between vaccines and cars. As you know, Germans love cars and their cars are famous. Germany promotes use of Rolls-Royce Moderna shot. BioNTech is the Mercedes among vaccines and Moderna is the Rolls-Royce. Of course, Jens Spahn is a politician and tries to promote Moderna job because there is a high demand for Pfizer-BioNTech's vaccine and the stocks could run low. On the other hand, US government reports show that Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine protects a bit better than Pfizer-BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine. This is not something new because Moderna injects more mRNA per dose, that's why it protects longer than Pfizer-BioNTech. I would like to also point out institutional buying and selling of Moderna shares. The highlight is Bank of New York Mellon Corporation. They hold about 2.7 million of Moderna shares with a market value of more than $1 billion. As you see, the quarterly change in shares is 94%. They almost doubled their positions in this quarter. How about you? When we look at the stock price chart again, the stock price was $282 and the next resistance level will be $350. Again, we may see 20% stock price increase very soon. Let's talk about Novavax. The stock price increased about 8% today. As you see, these are typical institutional buying. They buy parallel with huge volumes. The capital world investors increased their positions by 139% in this quarter and reached 1.5 million shares with a $306 million market value. They have about 2% ownership in the company. There will be a huge demand for Novavax vaccine because the vaccine has high efficacy and not mRNA based. According to recent news, Belgium orders new Novavax vaccine for people allergic to Pfizer or Moderna. Novavax, a lot of upside potential but still is a bit risky. Don't forget, no risk, no fun. The stock price exceeded its resistance level $200 and closed with almost $208. In August, the stock price tried to break its resistance levels $250 but couldn't that and fell sharply. As you see, there is 20% upside potential to next resistance level. Of course, my stock price target is between $350 to $400, which makes almost 2x. But in this video I would like to keep it short. For the further information of these companies, please check our vaccine playlist. You can find there more detailed videos for each of these stocks. Last but not least, I would like to show S&P 500 index seasonality. Now we are in November and we may see another bullish month this year. The next 2 weeks are very important because after that we may see a tech sell-off like last year. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching till the end. Please give a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the follow-ups. Arrivederci.